to learn with Mukil. What am I doing? Did my hand grow claws? No, it's just paper. But how did it perfectly fit in my hand? If you want to know, keep watching this video till the end. Welcome to my craft workshop. To make this claw, you just need a paper. No tape, no glue, no scissors. Just hands and a paper. After watching this video, I'm sure you can make perfect claws which can fit in your fingers. To do this, you just need to know a shape called triangle. That's it. Let's get into the work. Take one corner and crease it really well, and it should be perfect. It should be lined together. Another crease here. We formed a triangle. Now you make another triangle. Fold it like this and crease it. And make another triangle. Crease it here. Then another triangle like the same one and crease it. See, till now we made only triangles. Then you fold this up. Then you get a triangle. It's a big one. Then you open it, fold it around. Then you fold another triangle. Be a smaller triangle. Now you open it. Then you fold another triangle. It should be like this. Then you fold it again. And you make this. Then now you have to tuck this in. Our claw's ready. Now you have to just put your finger in this pocket. Claw, one claw. Very simple steps. You can do this claw and play with them, but be careful with them. Claw kid, I'm claw boy, I'm claw kid, I'm claw boy. Thanks for watching. Please support and subscribe my channel. Raw.